city's latest daily tally of new COVID infections fell to below 8,000, but 11 more patients succumbed to the disease. Meanwhile, a 10-year-old is in intensive care after catching the coronavirus. Caleb Leung has more details.
Among the 7,938 new COVID-19 cases reported today, 7,772 were locally transmitted infections and 166 were imported. The number of new cases suspected to be linked to the BA.4 or 5 Omicron subvariants has risen to 76.9% of the total daily tally.
Regarding the pandemic, the situation or the numbers had stabilized and declined these days, but we have to keep a close eye because we have to know whether it is related to the holiday. After the holiday, will there be a rebound? And has BA.5 peaked? Now it is at 68%. Will it stay at this percentage or will there be the chance of a rise?
The hospital authority reported a critical case involving a 10-year-old boy who has epilepsy and received 2 doses of the Sinovac vaccine. He tested positive for COVID-19 using a rapid antigen test last Friday and went to a designated clinic yesterday. The boy was then sent to Princess Margaret Hospital.
He has a fever, shortness of breath, and signs of croup. The pediatrician immediately administered a prescribed medication for him to treat his condition. At the same time, it's found that the boy is no longer entirely lucid, and there's a brain scan that shows so far he's normal. He's now in a pediatric intensive care unit and he's in a critical condition.
Meanwhile, a total of 11 residents from 10 residential care homes tested positive for COVID. 54 other care home residents were sent to quarantine. 4 schools reported new COVID cases and had to suspend classes for a week. 11 more COVID patients, aged between 61 and 93, died. 10 of them were not fully vaccinated with 3 COVID jabs. The new deaths have brought the city's number of fatalities in the current wave of infections to 9,597. Caleb Leung, TVB News.